What is peer-to-peer lending, and are there any Sharia issues with it?
So P2P lending, or what's known as peer-to-peer lending, P2P for short, it's also known as crowd lending, and there's many terms. And to be honest, the area of crowdfunding has, depending where you are in the world, so in some places it's called the marketplace. Some places call it crowdfunding, crowd lending, crowd investing. It depends where you are. So P2P financing or P2P, peer-to-peer lending, also known as crowd lending, it's a specific product whereby it's similar to, you could say, traditional lending services. Very, very similar, whereby borrowers go onto this platform, they access capital, they're required to pay an interest fee for the capital that they've received, and just depending on the type of business it is, the interest differs. The riskier is, the higher the interest. The less risk, the more stable, the lower the interest. So that's what peer-to-peer lending is. It's usually very, very direct source of lending and funding, whereby investors can match borrowers directly, and investors can go and choose on many platforms who they want to lend to. So it's very clear for the investors that who they're selecting. It's not like the bank where you are just dealing with an intermediary. When it comes to P2P lending, it's the investor. He knows exactly who is the beneficiary of his funds. That's the key difference. And that's why the word peer-to-peer is coming in. One peer being the lender, the other peer being the borrower. There's no intermediary in between to screen and separate both parties.
Islamic finance learning made simple and memorable.